Hello, I am extremely happy and excited about this roadshow at Pune for Automation Expo 2026. One thing which I like this time is that organizers have included this OT cybersecurity workshop as a part of Automation Expo 2026. If you see today's industry automation direction and the convergence of IT OT has created a situation wherein cybersecurity is a big threat for the industrial automation control systems. So I think this OT cybersecurity workshop will provide a platform for end users, DECs, suppliers, decision makers and automation experts to discuss the OT cybersecurity aspects in detail and which will guide the industry the way forward for how to move about and address the threat of OT cybersecurity. I am looking forward to attending Automation Expo 2026 at Mumbai and very excited about it. Thank you.